Emilia Clarke is a popular English actress. Her full name is Emilia Iżabellе Euphemia Rose Clarke. Her first television debut took place on the British TV shows Dostorẓ in 2009. Her popularity broke out for her role Daeneruż Targaruen in HBO series Games of Thrones. She has also been part of a few popular Hollywood movies such as Termіnatોr Genīzīž and Me Vefore Yоu. Early life. Emilia was born on 23rd October 1986 in London. Her late father was a sound engineer who inspired her to take an interest in acting. Her mother is the director of the Anīmā Foundatioन Sharītu. She grew up in Berkshire and completed her graduation in drama and acting from Drama Sentre London in 2009. During her graduation days, she used to take part in plays, and during that time, she got a guest role in BBC TV serial Doctor in 2009. After the initial days of her success in Games of Thrones, she started dating filmmaker Ме Веfоrе. But they broke up in just 6 months and she is still single. Emilia currently resides in Hampstead, London, and purchases a $1 million house in Venice Beach, California. She has been the cover feature for various international magazines and is a strong supporter of feminism and gender equality. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 23rd October 1986, Emilia Clarke is 35 years old as of today's date, 21st January 2022. Her height is 1.57 meter tall and her weight is 58 kg. Career. Emilia has a regular participant in school plays. When she joined Drama Sentre London, she did then plays during her stay. In 2009, she was part of 2 TV commercials and a short film. After her TV debut through an episode of Dostоrẓ in 2009, she played a role in the film Tricycle Attack in 2010. Emilia was named as one of the UK Stars of Tomorrow by Screen International magazine. Awards and achievements. Emilia has received 5 prestigious awards to date. She also has 27 nominations to her name. In 2011, she won the Scream Award for Breakout Performance for her role in Game of Thrones. In the same year, she won the Emmy Award as the Best Supporting Actress in Game of Thrones. The next year, she won Grace Award as the Outstanding Female Rising Star. In 2013, she received SFX Award for Best Actress. Then again in 2015, Emilia won Umpire Hero Award for Games of Thrones. She was voted by Ask Men readers in 2014 as the most desirable woman. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, Emilia Clarke has an estimated net worth of $15 million. Most of her earnings come for her role in Games of Thrones. It is reported that she takes $2 million per episode, and she is one of the highest paid TV actresses in the world. A chunk of her income also comes from her roles, movies, and endorsements of various brands. She is the face of various cosmetics and jewelry brands. She is also one of the sought after faces by international magazines. Emilia Clarke is definitely the most popular TV actress and present. She is now concentrating more of movies, and some of them have yelled dividends. There are 3 movies in the post-production stage, and she is the lead actress in all of them. It is only a matter of time before she delivers it on the big screen and turns out to be a top Hollywood actress.